difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Orana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to use a blow dryer and a hair clay and a volume cream. Saying, Maximus, where's your hair oil? Because many people don't follow the hair oil technique because some people have short hair on which the hair oil technique doesn't work, because short hair, it's, if you use a hair oil, you can't achieve that kind of volume. Whereas on long hair, you need less volume and, more cleaner looking hairstyles. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you one technique, and from that one technique, you can achieve 3 hairstyles, which is pretty cool. So, it can suit different events. You're going on a date, you're going on a party, you're going for a marriage, you're going for some function. You can choose out of those 3 hairstyles, and they're pretty dope and pretty cool looking hairstyles. So if that sounds interesting, let's jump right into this video. I'll start off this hairstyle by applying hair oil, which is the first step of each and every hairstyle of mine. After which I will apply a volume cream. What I'll do is I'll emulsify the volume cream in my palms and then apply it throughout my hair length, and then use a comb and start blow drying. And if you haven't seen my blow drying tutorial yet, it's linked down in the description, or you'll see a pop-up coming up there, or you can watch it at the end of this video, like in the end screen. So yeah, after blow drying, I'll apply a texture clay so that, just to add a finishing touch to my hairstyle. I'll apply very little because my hair is long and I like to keep my hair flowy, but also I like to have a good hold, so that my hair should have a good hold, and if someone runs their hand through my hair, it's soft and it's not a full piece of plastic. So first hairstyle is a side swept hairstyle, and as you can see, I'm doing some twists and turns, and there you go, all my hairstyles are done. Just one technique and multiple hairstyles with a few twists and turns, and we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. It took me time to film this because on this day I filmed like 3 videos. It's 1st Jan and I thought it would be better to kick off the year with shooting some videos in a fresh mood, fresh start. Yeah. So, Happy New Year everyone. Although you're gonna see this video late somewhere. Or you must have already seen my 2 videos which I posted earlier. It was shot on the same day, so yeah. Follow my Instagram, which is @Maximus_Orana, and subscribe. I'm telling you, this channel is awesome. Self-praise at its best. And yeah, turn the notifications bell on. Comment something good down below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace!